Over the weekend, the Turkish lira sank considerably, while the yen gained momentum against the euro, the US dollar and the Aussie. Following the results of today's Asian session, the Australian dollar lost the most against other currencies. The trajectory of the US dollar will be determined by the speech of the Fed chairman in the afternoon. Investors are also anticipating data on the US existing home sales. The greenback managed to win back some of its losses incurred last Thursday. On Monday, the US dollar index is likely to extend gains amid the latest events in Turkey. At the weekend, Tayyip Erdogan announced his intention to replace the head of the central bank. His decision came as a surprise to investors. The Turkish lira declined against the US dollar by more than 9% following the news about an upcoming change in monetary policy. Today, market participants are mostly focused on two events: Jerome Powell's speech and the release of data on the US existing home sales. These two events will set tomorrow's trend for the US dollar. Last Friday, the dollar-yen pair remained flat, closing the session almost at the opening level. However, it kicked off the new trading week with a decrease of 22 pips. Yet, it managed to recoup its losses after the Bank of Japan's announcement about some adjustments to the monetary policy. The regulator said that the 10-year government bond yields may move at a slightly wider range than investors previously expected. So, the pair is projected to climb to the level of 110 and 37, but technical analysis shows a different trend. Today, the Japanese yen is likely to continue consolidating at the levels of the last 5 sessions. An upward reversal may occur only tomorrow. Today, the Australian dollar has dropped significantly, which signals the formation of a downward trend. The Aussie lost ground due to the news about a 1.1% decrease in Australia's retail sales, while economists forecast a jump. It's recommended to wait until the pair closes the gap and edge lower to the target level of 0.7615. If so, it may continue to decline further. Versus its rivals, the Aussie looks like a real outsider today. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.